Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with explosive momentum. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering Intuitive Machines, ticker LUNR, a leading space exploration company delivering lunar landers, data services, and infrastructure for NASA and commercial missions, with successful moon landings in 2024 and 2025. Big news today, December 19th. Key Bank initiated coverage with an overweight rating and $20 price target, highlighting strong positioning in the lunar economy. This comes amid reports of President Trump's new space policy blueprint, emphasizing accelerated lunar access and potentially boosting companies like Intuitive Machines. The market is reacting strongly. Shares are rocketing over 21% intraday, pushing toward $13 to $14 levels on heavy volume, extending recent gains in the hot space sector. With analyst firepower and policy tailwinds, LUNR is capturing major attention. Is this the liftoff for more upside? Share your thoughts below. Buy the surge, hold, or caution. Like for more space stock alerts and subscribe. Hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. We'll see you in the next one.